Hi everyone, I'm Julie from the Techie Teacher. Happy Wednesday and welcome whether you are joining me live or watching the replay. Today I have teamed up with Rugged Technology Protection Systems, a company that's been around since 2012 making iPad cases, top-notch iPad cases, I must say, for K-12 classrooms. And we are giving away 3 of their ProLOCK cases. And you can enter to win by clicking the link that I put in the post above to the Rafflecopter, where you can earn different entries by doing several different things, and also letting us know in the comments below which iPad case you would like to have if you are chosen to be one of the 3 winners. They make the ProLOCK case for the iPad Mini 4, the Air 2, and the Pro. And let me tell you, it's awesome. They sent me one for my iPad Air, and my iPad is not going anywhere in this case. It is locked down. The kids would not be able to pull the iPad out of the case. Super, super nice and protected. Hi, Nicole. Welcome. So when I got this and I put it on my iPad, I was really impressed with the ergonomic design. The corners are nice and round to help with drop protection, because let's face it, when we're in the classroom with 25 kids running around, accidents do happen. So we got to protect our investments. Love how it has the handle, and this makes it nice for presentations or for collaboration or walking around the classroom. It's got a nice sturdy way to hang on. The back is clear, so that makes tagging nice and visible. It comes with a soft cover, and you can remove this if you don't care to have it, but you can turn the cover into an iPad stand. Kids love having an iPad stand so they can free up space on their desk to have other things out like manipulatives or books of any sort. And they also provide a plastic stand as well that you can hook into the back of the iPad that has a circle cut out, and you can make the iPad stand up vertically or horizontally, which is pretty cool. One thing that I look at with iPad cases before I recommend them to districts or to schools is, are the ports easily accessible? And they are with this case. You can see down below, the kids can easily plug in their charger down here. The headphone jack is exposed, and one thing that I always look for too is the camera exposed? A lot of cases have a plastic flap that covers up the camera, and it really throws the kids off when they go to take pictures or they're in an app where it's requiring them to take a picture. They think something's wrong with the app, or they think the camera's turned off in the settings. They don't think to uncover the camera here. And here, it's exposed, it's still protected thanks to the case. You know, even some adults don't think to look at the cover to see if it's covering up the camera. I've been known to do that before. So this just takes that extra step out, which is really cool. It comes with a tempered glass screen protector to protect the iPad from any direct screen impact. And overall, it is just nice and thin. It can fit into an iPad cart. So I encourage you to head over to their website, rug-ed.com, and check out what else they have. Hey Heidi, nice to see you. Welcome. If you're looking for iPad cases for your district or for your school, they do custom quotes. You can read about their protection plan. Really awesome company to work with. And I don't see any comments coming in right now. You guys are really quiet tonight. So if you're watching the replay, drop any questions that you might have into the comments below, and we will get Rugged to hop on and answer them, and I'll do my best to answer any questions. And don't forget to click the link above and enter the Rafflecopter. We're choosing 3 winners Friday morning to win one of these cases of your choice, either the Mini 4, the Air 2, or the Pro. And I think that's all I wanted to point out here. Yeah, I went over all of them. So thanks for joining. Have a great Wednesday night. You only have 2 days left until the weekend. Hopefully you're doing something fun in school. Talk to you later.